The next criteria is how DIY friendly is concrete compared to natural stone. Well, Adbri pavers are a minimum of 40mm thick, which meets the Australian standard for laying them on sand for courtyards and patios, steppers down the side of your house. A lot of imported stone these days is light because they've got to transport overseas, and it's somewhere between 15mm like this one to 30mm. So if I laid this on sand, I guarantee first time something heavy went over it, you get cracks, breaks, and then damage. So this is much DIY friendlier for a successful long-term job, because this really should be laid like a tile on concrete, and the skill level of doing the concrete and then laying these with adhesive goes through the roof, and it becomes a job for a professional. And if you don't believe me, in fact in my own landscaping jobs, when I have to lay something like this and it's going down on a slab like a tile, I get a tiler in and the costs go through the roof. And if you compare the prices of these two, well, this is Australian made, has to travel less, and you can still duplicate it and match it if you want to extend on the job. It might be budget conscious, but it still looks fantastic.